Alright.
Oh wait, never mind. He's gonna play in a minute.
Okay, okay, you're so fucking loud. Hello, people.
I am.
Hello, yes. Yeah, they
I am.
are. Whoops. No, man. Wait, is he actually?
Yeah.
Ah. Tell him to hurry up.
All right. Hurry your dick.
You didn't talk to him.
I did though. He said, "Give me a minute."
I'm, no, you can play a different game.
No, come on. 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 Come on.
God damn it. Shut up.
Come on. What the fuck?
Oh, okay.
What?
Come
What?
on. Oh my god. Hello.
Hi.
Mother humper. What?
Wait, why'd you kick me? What the fuck, dude? Dude, like, what
If
the
he's not
fuck?
gonna even join call, then we're starting.
Um, dude, why'd you kick me from Caldo?
I didn't, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Except you dick.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did. I
I
did.
don't believe you.
I did.
Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god, you asshole.
The fuck?
Well, we're recording, by the way.
Oh shit.
Oh man, I have to do manners, air quote, air quote.
I promise not to die.
You're gonna die right away, aren't you?
Shh. That's
Like,
not
you're
too
gonna grab
important.
your knife and go try and knife someone? You're gonna get, like, gangbanged by 5 oppers.
Oh
Alright.
shit.
Fuck, don't
Oh
understand.
fuck. Whoops. We just started a game.
We can leave, though. Hey, I got a knife.
Alright, do you wanna leave?
Yeah. I just exited main menu.
Pop, pop,
Wait.
pop, pop.
Oh, wait, it's a cooldown. No, don't. We can't leave. Whoops.
Oh, really?
Yep.
How long is the cooldown?
I don't know, however long it is if you've, like, been kicked or something before. Have you? Yeah. Ours would be really long, because we've already had a cooldown.
Dominic, I sent you a message that said, okay, I will.
Yeah, I did, and then Jeff, hold on.
We had you do call and you didn't answer and everything. I thought, like, you were gonna be, like, 15 minutes.
I didn't even have my Skype open.
I
That's
didn't
why.
even know what was going on. He's the master,
Well,
he
we have
had
to wait,
the
like,
thing.
15 minutes, because we're gonna lose this a lot.
Dude, I can't even move, look at my ping. God damn it.
Wait, we could leave. I'm just gonna... Oh, left. Leave. Just leave.
Fuck you, dude, I don't want to have a cooldown period.
Come on.
You probably won't even get it.
Do it.
It only happens like the second time you leave a game. If you've never left a game before, you won't get it.
Do it.
I don't think
And even if you do, it'll be like a half an hour. It won't be very long.
Well, you could
Oh, it
wait a
didn't
half
give me
hour. Just wait a half hour
Oh,
then.
it gave me a day. It gave me a whole day.
A day?
Are you serious?
Yeah, it gave me a whole fucking day.
My god. We could've
It
just
told me
played.
because my ping... No, it told me because my ping is terrible. Oh, that's fucking
Oh, he kicked you
amazing.
because of your awful internet.
Yeah, yay. Good job, Adrian.
No, blame fucking Jeff.
Hey, look, Randy the tranny's on.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
So are we playing or did Nick get a ban?
What?
Did you get a ban?
Yes.
I didn't
This
leave.
is competitive
I didn't leave yet.
cooldown. What the fuck? Leave, you piece of shit. God
Why?
damn it. Fuck you.
I wanna go
Yeah.
day.
Yeah, tourist, what the fuck?
Just fucking leave. You fucking thing.
Fine.
Damn right. Oh shit.
Oops. Oh man, I have 30 minutes.
Oh.
I could have just played
What the
that,
fuck?
you asshole.
So honestly,
So-
this honestly wouldn't have happened if you just fucking waited like
If you
5
would have
minutes,
been
30
on
minutes
quicker.
for me to open up my Skype.
Jesus.
I just turned on my
You could have
Like,
joined the
Steam was
lobby.
working,
You could join the lobby
because
first.
usually I have to.
Stop having your dick butt.
No, we're playing swords. Alright, well, you guys want to play, like, Demolition?
You know, not
No.
really.
Not in the slightest.
Oh my god.
Alright, bye.
Well, this isn't competitive recording anymore. I guess we're gonna play some fucking, like, Demolition or something.
No, I guess we're gonna play Gmod DayZ again.
Nope. I'm playing some Demolition.
No, come on,
No,
come on.
I'll do it later. Jesus.
No, do it now.
No, I haven't been able to play CSGO since like
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
come
didn't
on.
get to play with Jerry and people because of errors. I got a burp. That's not
Dude.
happening.
I didn't get to play with Granny the Tranny yesterday, so, you know,
Yeah,
fuck you.
that's your
We're playing
problem.
Gmod. No, it's your fucking problem, because you're the one that started the problem.
You invited him, but he didn't join, so that's his actually. Did I hear that?
You did.
Shut up.
You dick.
Okay.
Fuck you, I'm playing Gmod DayZ. What the fuck? There's 50 people on.
On what?
Oh,
Oh,
wait, never
shit!
mind.
Really?
Yeah.
How many? Nah, I believe you.
Again, come take a look, you fuck.
Nah. I'm good. Salty, but not too salty. It's this guy's name. His freaking profile picture is like Thomas the Train, but like on steroids. And he
Oh, that's nice.
thinks he's a bunny or something. It's alright. Your laugh is so weird. That's how I laugh.
Just like you're in the corner. That's how I laugh.
Like, no one noticed you until you said that.
Yeah. It's like, no, it's just like you're in class, like, it makes a joke, everyone just starts, like, laughing, and then, and everyone looks at you. What was that? Are you a goddamn alien?
Did we have a mouse, or like a mouse that just ejaculated and died because of it, or what?
You a goddamn
And
alien?
then people were just like, no, it's just Jeff.
Nah, it's just, yeah.
And then there's me. Oh wait, and then like I have the face of the salty but not too salty guy.
What the fuck was that? Dude, there are so many people on.
Oh shit, that guy scared my balls off.
You turned into Savannah.
Hey.
Why would your voice go deeper? That doesn't make any sense.
No.
Oh shit, hi,
She
how are
got
you?
scared that her
Good?
balls.
Alright, everybody's
like,
good. Everyone's
that she
friends
got
here.
balls.
Yep, everyone's nice guys.
I was the
I'm
opposite.
gonna with you guys.
Right?
Aw. That guy, oh shit.
We should ask, is the Dick Club meeting happening or no? ask him.
So, no dick club?
When did this get disbanded? What's that? The balls that tickle.
GG.
Oh my god. The names people come up with.
Oh, my guy just told me he took a shit.
You should say, I'm taking a shit right now. I'm on my laptop. With the
Oh, they said the Dick Club meeting has been disbanded.
what? Why? Well, I'm making
Uh,
a new.
There was too much balls involved.
Gonna handle it.
Too much balls, not enough dick. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. Right in my butthole.
Oh. This guy came up to me.
Alright guys, you good? All you guys came in here like a goddamn train, like a little fuck bitch. Hey fuck butt. Hey, alright. You do,
Oh,
you good?
man,
Yeah,
that's
you
loud.
good.
I need
Don't mind me, I'm just gonna come with you guys.
Oh god. Why
I'm here with camera. I'm the paparazzi. Oh shit, someone has a gun.
Jesus, that's loud as hell.
That's dangerous.
You're also loud.
Ah.
Like, you're louder than me. And I'm the one recording.
I have power.
Fuck.
The power. Hey.
The power within. Power
I
within.
feel like
Power
like
within.
somebody original could say that. The power within.
No, from SpongeBob.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah,
fucking know.
Jesus Christ. Take a joke.
Dude, I need help. There's like so many groups of like 5. I'm getting gangbanged right now. I need some help.
Gangbang shot through the heart. I mean, penis.
Hold
That's
on.
so bloody loud.
Who, me or the guns?
The guns.
This man is about to be anally penetrated.
What? But what is today? Today's Friday. But that's usually on Sunday. After church and behind it. Oh man, I should have said just like behind the church. Well, the priest is talking about God.
We're fucking him in the butthole.
God's touching me.
The fuck? Close the door on him. Shit.
Dumbass. Don't know how to scream.
Ah! Turns out he killed me with a hamburger. Dude, there's people everywhere.
Damn it. Kind of a butthole. Has anyone ever tried fucking the whale's blowhole?
What?
Has anyone tried shoving their penis into a whale's blowhole?
What the fuck? What do I feel like you just gotta get like
That's
a
not
Photoshop?
an answer.
No. What you need to do is you get like a Photoshop image of a blue whale and like a clip art picture of a dick, and then just like.
That's
It's
dumb.
like copy
That's
paste.
dumb. I don't want some like jagged.
Hi, how are
Dick.
you guys? You good? Okay, you guys good. Yeah, Bobby Piss, little piece of fuck.
Cartoon dicks suck.
You're about to get fucked in your butthole. Wow, that's rude. Man, I'm so glad I have a friend who's helping me defend myself. Don't hurt my friend!
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, we're losing. I mean, it's 4-4, but I'm doing really bad. I have 2-5. I gotta poop. Oh man.
Gang banging, game gaming.
I gotta shit.
Yeah, we fucked him up. He only has so many bullets. You can't kill me. You only have one bullet left.
Oh,
One
what
bullet
if a
left.
narwhal shoved his like thing into a whale's blowhole?
Bro, you list about strong as your forehead.
And Whale's flirting is saying like, you can touch my blowhole anytime.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck, dude?
I know. Fuck.
Dude, what's a lisp?
You wanna know what a lisp is?
No.
You wanna know what a
Fucking-
lisp is? What the fuck is wrong with you?
What the fuck do you know what a lisp is?
Oh, okay. Everyone knows what a lisp is besides
That's
you.
cool. Yes, alright, congratulations.
I don't have a lisp.
You're not a lip, you fuck.
I have problems saying it.
It's spelled it's spelled L-O-U-S-P. Well, no,
Oh,
hold
that's
on.
a lisp is L-I-S-P. Dumbass.
That's not how they spell that.
I did it wrong. Pretty fucking simple.
Ah, that's rude. Dude, I need help, I need help, I need help, and I need it now. I need lifeline, and I need it now! I need it now! I need it now, you little butt fuck.
Oh, what the fuck is going on?
That's a great nickname. Oh my god, that's perfect. I love it.
What?
I killed all these guys, and now they're really pissed, so now they call me Robo Dick. Ah, man, I feel like there would have been a really funny Transformers joke. Want to see my Age of Ultron?
Get it? Cause it's old and wrinkly and shriveled up.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, for good times.
Ah. Yeah, glad I have some help.
Oh wait, I'm on T side.
Dude, come on, help me.
I'm in the middle of a demolition game. Just chill the
I
fuck
don't even
out.
fucking that demolition. You can leave that shit.
I'm gonna
You're
name
fine.
this episode "Welcome to my video." Get it? 'Cause we talk about whales
Right, come on.
and their
Yes. No,
blowholes.
sorry guys, I shot. Yes, they can take this thing.
What happens when
Alright,
you rub a
confirmed.
a narwhal's horn? Huh? What happens?
What?
What happens?
It's not its dick.
Like when you
no,
rub a unicorn's horn, it like squirts out rainbows or whatever. You know? So
What are you on?
I'm on LSD, some stuff called sugar daddy, but
Some stuff called hardcore meth.
oh no. I honestly have no idea what you're talking about, and I don't want to be part of it. Gotta take a shit. Gotta shit.
I also got some cocaine here. Some meth.
Oh, I'm all alone.
Man, you wouldn't be alone, and I wouldn't be alone if you joined my server so you can help me murder people. I
Yeah,
know.
that'd be cool. Where is he?
Get your fucking dick over here and help me out.
Shit. Mother. I'm lurking your mother.
Oh god.
Shut up.
Well, time to fight a group of 5 people with nothing more than a pistol.
But you never answered my question of what happens when you rub a narwhal's horn. Is that how other narwhals like repopulate? If you rub it hard enough, it just shrinks down to a baby one?
Yeah,
Alright.
fucking science, motherfucker.
That makes sense to me. Oh, those are dead guys. I was shooting at 2 dead guys on stage.
Oh shit, they're alive. Pow, 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 pow.
Shitty.
Just a prank.
Just a prank, bro. Just a prank. Oh, I thought it was a dead guy, but whatever. The balls that tickle. You can tickle my pickle anytime, son.
Why are you not helping me?
Cause after this, I kinda gotta shit.
Are you kidding me?
So
Suck
you're
my
gonna have
dick.
to
Oh no.
wait, like,
What?
till I'm done having my moment.
This guy said, "What's your point? Is invalid. Spec or nope? How about
Say,
you suck my dick?
wait,
Then
wait,
nope."
just say in chat, Divine Captain is gonna take a shit. Hold on. Just do it and see what people say.
Ah, Granny the tranny is playing Warface.
I don't know who the fuck that is. Is that your boyfriend?
Hi, you good? You're a good guy? Yeah, you good, you good. You a chill guy. You a nice guy. Yeah, you all good.
Is that your new
You good guy.
boyfriend?
You chill, you good. Alright. I got 2 health, so I'm not the oh well, okay. Dick. Fuck. Butt fuck. Oh yeah. Cause you can't find that anywhere else in the real world, can you? Man, my ping is 500. I don't know what my little brother's doing. He
Your
must be
little
watching
brother?
some movie. Yeah, maybe my older. I don't know.
I don't.
He watches really hardcore stuff.
This is basement. I think maybe that was my teammate. Never mind. I'm sorry.
Man, my ping is terrible.
Yeah.
I wish I didn't have McDonald's internet.
Did you walk past him?
I want the bloody bomb. Oh, Jesus, that hurt. Oh man, I can't. Oh jeez, it feels like my heart just tried shoving through one of my ribs. And
Oh,
then,
that's rude.
oh man, it feels like it's trying to escape.
Come on in. Cortana. Cortana. What are the symptoms of death? What the fuck? A setting of blood in the lower portion of the body. What the fuck?
Yeah, I guess if you do shit blood, you probably gotta tell a doctor.
What are the symptoms of
Sorry,
death?
but, like, I
Blood
just-
in the lower half of your body.
Blood. No,
What?
just like blood, period. There you go.
If you had any kind of blood in you at all, then you basically got fucked.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, got shot in the face right there. Butter. Sexiest beast, you got this. Oh, wait, no, that's not my teammate. I need, salty, but not too salty, yeah. You got this. Use your saltiness as your power. The power within. The power within. Yeah. We're too bloody loud. That's what
Good job.
Boy, I really don't like the Nova. He's dead. Oh, yeah, it's
That
water.
didn't kill you?
It's a water, man.
Oh.
Water. Just like in any game, if it's just a little bit, you're good.
True, true.
Alright, I want you to take your dick. Take your dick.
And
Firmly grasp it.
Firmly grasp.
Now I want you to firmly grasp it 2 times harder.
Owie. I got firmly grasp it. I shouldn't have grasped it that hard. Whoops.
I have to restart my router or tell my brother to stop downloading its fucking porn.
You should
yes.
probably turn off the router and then just wait a few minutes until like it's like what the fuck is going on?
I do that, and my older brother usually comes out and is like, "Don't could you stop turning off the fucking internet?"
Come on, go on, go on, go on.
And I'm just like, "So you were on the internet?" And he's like, "Yeah, no shit, you fucking idiot." I'm like, "Get the fuck
Yeah,
out of the way."
get off. Why don't you get
And when
out?
I don't, he says that to me, and I'm just like, "Oh, I never thought of it that way before."
Oh wait, no, I'm too busy wanking. You can do that though.
And I'm like, "Oh wait, but I don't wanna."
Yeah, and go down and say, could you like not come all over the
Alright,
router?
guys.
I mean, please. Thank you.
Could you please stop jizzing on the router, please? Thank you. All right, bye.
They know me for my one taps.
The all I want you for your dick.
I know. It's getting kind of annoying actually.
Yeah, I bet. Someone, I'm not gonna say that because that's really, oh, never mind, dude. I mean, that's pretty harsh. So, anyways,
So, anyways. Everyone dance.
well, I'm gonna go murder someone with a flashlight.
Okay. Oh, great.
Bitch. Sit down. Sit your ass down. What the fuck?
Are you guys ready to tie this?
Oh yeah. I'm so ready to tie this, man.
So ready to what?
Tie this.
Feel like you're losing really bad.
No, not that bad. Shut. Okay. Dude, I killed 2 people. What are you guys doing? Kill him! Kill him! Oh my god. Thank you. Holy shit. Zadik. No. Salty, but not too salty. Why did you have your burst fire on? You dumb kid. He's coming. 3, 2. Holy fuck. Zadik, if you don't get this, you better get bomb plant, because he's probably going to wait time you out. Plant.
Plant deficient.
You saw him out there.
Why'd you walk? Why did you walk? Why? 4K. No.
Hurry up.
I'm waiting for you.
Go.
Shoot him.
Man, I keep dying, and I don't have a
Oh my
friend to help
God.
me.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Hope that rustled you guys' jimmies.
Yeah, that just tickled my pickle to death.
Oh shit, I blew up.
I did too. That's funny. Right when you said, oh shit, I blew up, I actually blew up because of the bomb.
Bang, come on. It's better.
Okay, well, I'm done with demolition. I'm gonna go take a shit and join Dominic. So see y'all later. Oh yeah. Say
Like,
goodbye.
was that the entire fucking episode?
Yep. Bye.
That was so shit.